It's part of the American dream. You create your own family. But in doing so, did you plan for the food, the clothes, housing, all the expenses that come with having a family? It can be overwhelming to even think about all the things that come with that. And then you think about schools, the supplies that come with sending your kids to schools and the activities, going on field trips, even the holiday stuff, Christmas, Thanksgiving, all of that. A lot of times we end up having issues because we didn't plan for any of that in the first place. At the Financial Literacy for the Incomplete Parent Workshop, we help you figure that out so that you don't suffer, your kids don't suffer, and things are planned for. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.